You ready? Are you ready? So, show Mama what kind of good chewers you are. Here you go. Yeah, I'm a good chewer. I'm a good chewer. Don't you choke. Put it in your mouth. How about Sister? Sister's a good chewer. Are you chewing? Are you chewing? Sister's not sure about those, but she's still a good chewer. Are you good chewers? I'm a good chewer. Are you a good chewer? Another one? Being a good chewer? Sister. Ella Jane. Hey. You be a good chewer? Are you a good chewer? Yum. Yum. Say bye. Say bye, Mom.